In this module, we'll learn a basic introduction to shell and how we can write a simple shell script and execute it. Unix shell is a command line interpreter which processes a single command or multiple commands in a combination. The shell is much more flexible than a graphical user interface. When a command is fired by a user, the shell interprets the command and sends it to the kernel. The kernel interacts with the hardware, returns the results to the user via the shell. Different type of shells and its features. First one in this category is the Bourne shell. It is the simplest of all the shells available. CSH. It is the C shell with most of the syntax compatible with C programming language. TCSH. It is a superset of C shell. Corn shell or KSH. It is compatible with the CSH and includes many more features from the C shell. Last but not the least, Bash, which is Bourne again shell. It is largely backward compatible with Bourne shell. It includes ideas drawn from KSH as well as CSH. To see different types of shells available in Unix, type the command cat etc shells. Here you can see bash, CSS, console, sh, tcss, zs. To see what is the current shell, type the command echo $0. It will see my current shell is bash. Also, you can do it by typing the command echo $shell. My current shell is bash and the location of the binary is /bin/bash. That's all about the shell. In the next lecture, we'll see what are the different types of shells and how we can invoke a shell. Type of shells. There are basically two types of shells. One is login shell, another is non-login shell. In case of login shell, the user is allowed to log into the shell with his user authentication. And in case of non-login shell, the user is basically not allowed to log in. To create a non-login shell for a user, you need to update the /etc/password file with /sbin/no-login for that specific user. Invoking a shell. When a user is logged in, four different files are read in a sequence. First one in this category is the /etc/profile file. It is a system-wide initialization file which is executed for login. The next one is /etc/.bash file. It is the system-wide for interactive shell starter file. Next one is till.bash file. It is the individual for interactive shell starter file. The next one is till/.bash_profile file. It is the personal initialization file that is executed for the login shells. Sequence of reading these files are /etc/profile, then .bash_profile is read. After that, .bashrc is read, and finally /etc/.bashrc file is read. Anything added to .bashrc or .bashprofile file will be executed at the login time. Similarly, whatever we want to execute when you are logging out, you can add those commands to .bash_logout file. That's all about invoking a shell. In the next clip, we'll see how we can write a basic hello world script and execute it. Hello world with bash scripting. In this lecture, we'll be learning how to create a simple hello world script using bash scripting and how to execute that script. So let's move into our terminal. So let's start our terminal. Let's create a file using VI editor called hello world.sh. The first line in the bash scripting is the cwing statement. It tells the interpreter which shell to look out for. So here we are using bash shell. The location of the bash shell would be in /bin/bash. Let's try to enter some hello world. To print a line in bash script, we use the command echo hello world within double quote. Let's save the script and try to execute the script. Here you see it gives the error permission denied. So before executing any script, we have to give executable permission to the script. In order to give executable permission, The command is chmod a plus x to hello world.sh. If you do ls-l on this script, you will see the executable permission is added to all the users. Now we'll be able to execute the script. Let's execute. It is printing hello world. So that's all about how you can execute, how you can create a script and execute in the bash shell. Congratulations to all. We have completed the first section in this course. In this introductory section, we have learned what is a shell, what are different type of Unix shells, how to invoke a shell, how we can create a simple shell or bash script and execute it. In the next section, we'll be learning about the basics of bash scripting.